Guys, this is Miss Farley. This was her baby. She adopted one of the quads from the first litter. We lost one baby from the original litter, but this mama was really nice at taking another baby. So we're thankful for her saving that one, the quads. The original mom didn't have enough milk, so at least this one's safe. Miss Farley's a really good mom. And a really good foster mom. As you can see, she's doing a really well job of fostering that baby. Without her being a foster, we might have lost 2 babies, so, and I'm still really sad about losing that other baby. It's always hard to lose any animal. As, you know, anyone understands, losing animals is awful. Miss Farley is a really good foster mom. But unfortunately, she didn't have enough milk for 3. Either did the original mom. So I'm just thankful for everyone that's going strong now. Weights are going good. And we haven't lost anybody else. Mrs. Farley. Mrs. Farley, you're the best mom ever. She has food. That dish is empty, but I have one on her door. She has food. Mrs. Farley's a really good foster mom. Are you the best, Mrs. Farley? Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.